now move to 5.5 within the model tree to discuss and show you how to change an object's ArchiMate concept type in the model tree. So remember this prefix ArchiMate concept. So let's go to the content. It's an element or relation. So I have several those elements and one relation already. So if I make some the more information, so like is I have application components, application service. From application components to service, I make a realization. So and also from this application service to proper capability, I have also realization. So I have three relations now. So those concept type can be changed in the model tree. To change one or more the element concept type in the model tree, select the required element or relationship from the right click. So now it's let's see. So I don't like it is copied as the capability anymore. So change a single right click, set concept type. So I will change that to our value stream. So you can see the icon is changed, but when you change a type, is the name is not changed. I think is the if I have this resource, so check is that we have the property, we also have documentation. Now I want to change that to strategies course of action. So now it's changing to another the notation course of action, but the documentation is still there, property is still there. So just change the element. If I want to change that to our another layer, like is I want to change that to our motivation layer, to our requirements, is also allow you change, but once this change is this element is appear or automatically moved to the motivation folder. So that is the behavior, and definitely is you can change to directly to value stream like C. So this one is a value stream, and so this one, let me see so whether I can change both together. So maybe I change that to another part. Some connection. So that is popping up the second paragraph. When you change that, like it's the resource I never use, but capability I have used with one incoming realization and outgoing is a composition. Some connection relationship for the chosen element will become invalid by this operation. This will be converted to association. So remember that is if I click OK, so both are the association. So it's not key because from the business application service now to this capability name, but is our application interaction is not have the this realization. So use this magic. You can see you can use serving, trigger, flow, but no realization. And here we have the composition. So from this capability, this now is the interaction. You only have realization or association. So that is the logic. Is I change back is if there's not valid. What means the not valid or valid is based on this huge matrix. Try to learn that is the part. And when changing an element type, an connected relationship that would no longer be valid will be changed to association. You already see that. In this case, a confirmation dialog is showing that. There's an option to add a note in the documentation field to change relationship can be enabled in the preference. So let's try to do this here. So now is the relationship is a composition. So let's look at here is the document is nothing help. So if I change, I remember is we change that to interaction, then that is invalid. So then I will click here. So documentation is empty. So let me change back. What this means is in preference, there's a node here. In the others under general is add a node to a relations documentation field when changing type. That is not a complete sentence. That is when changing type by the either an source or target element make leads to the relationship in the target situation is not valid in ArchiMate language specification. So when I apply that, now is if I change this, here is the realization, here is the composition. So I change that to interaction. These two back to the association. Now you get a hint. So that is those check make the effect is changed from composition, and this association is changed from realization because it's if you later on is read this diagram is this sentence or this note at least give you some hint is what are the original the relationship between source and target, but this one we don't have our the tracking record because we don't know is what's the earlier the type of the element, but this relationship at least gave you some hint. So that is the this one. So I suggest is this is not default checked. So please check and leave that. When changing an element, if it's changed in the this concept that belong to our different element, I already show you is this one is moved from strategy to motivation. So that is the automatically move. Note that the changing a concept type will not return any assignment assigned specialization. Will not return any assigned specialization as that will be invalidated. So that is the thing is let me create our the specialization first. So I will have my actor. So quickly is with our image, choose the image, open from file. So quickly is come to this small icon I prepared. So this now is I can drag that and create our actor. Now is I do this change. For example, I change that to technology layer, change as a device. So this actor with the name, so come to the technology layer. Name is still my actor, but you can see the specialization is gone. Because we don't have those specialized for our device. Look at this specialization manager. There's a restriction here. So that means only for the business actor. So that is the one is you need to be take care of that. One more thing is when we say the concept, just don't limit it yourself on the this element. You can also change relationship, but changing the relationship is you can see is only allow you to change the valid relationship. So that is a safe thing. You cannot change to composition from our application components to application service. But I don't like now is I find out is not suitable for our this realization. So I will change is like a serving. So application serve this service. So that is depending on your modeling is meta model or your team's modeling pattern. There's a multiple allowed relationship between the same the source and the target element type. So try to use that is and I hope is that you can change in the wise way from this ArchiMate concept. The concept means ArchiMate. Last thing is you cannot change those non-ArchiMate element like this group, this node. If I have a node is associated to link to our element, you cannot change this as our the relation. These three, one link and connection, two element, are not ArchiMate concept, so you cannot change that. With that is finish this changing. Next one we will go to edit property. So see you then. Bye for now.